Okay, so as you may know, my Galaxy S5 recently decided to no longer charge. Is still working for now on the last of its battery life, but in the meantime, I have switched over to using my Galaxy S9, and you know what? I think this is going to be the best quality video recording setup that I've ever had. Look at this. I can even zoom in and out. That's a feature that the S5 didn't do all that well without getting grainy. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that quality video right there? So, yeah, the S9, totally not attached to a VHS camcorder right now, is going to be my new video recording phone, though I will still be using it as my daily driver phone as well. Ignore the tuna salad snack in the background. So, yeah. Look forward to some peak YouTube content